Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango martini. Now this cocktail is for those mango lovers. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka. I'm using Grey Goose, Malibu mango, fresh mango puree, and some fresh lemon juice. Alright, so we're going to start by making the mango puree. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's make this drink now. Alright, I'm gonna start by chilling the glass. Now I'm gonna add ice into a mixing glass. Now I'm gonna add 1 ounce of mango puree. 1 ounce of vodka, half ounce of Malibu mango, and half ounce of fresh lemon juice. Now we're gonna shake it. We're gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a mango martini. Now if you guys like the video, drop those likes. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!